Hey friends, today I'm partnering with Fanttik to share their Fanttik F2 Master Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit and the Fanttik C8 Nano Electric Scissors. After 20 years as a fashion designer cutting stacks of fabric every day, then another 20 years as a designer doing tons of upholstery projects and DIY projects to share with you, these hands are tired. These products are going to save me some time and help eliminate some of the stress that I put on my hands every day. If you're a quilter and cutting stacks and stacks of the same shape, these scissors are perfect for you. If you make jewelry and need to get into tight corners for sanding and polishing, this cordless rotary tool will come in really handy. Today I'm sharing how I use both of these tools, and if you're inspired to get some for yourself, I'm leaving discount codes in the description below. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, here they are. Let's take a closer look at them, and then I'm going to make some no-sew monster dolls and show you how I put together my anything and everything jewelry. I like that the C8 Nano Electric Scissors includes an extra blade and screwdriver and a nice little bag for storage. The design and packaging of the F2 Master Mini Cordless Rotary is very cool. It has tons of different bits, and I'm immediately drawn to some of the diamond bits and grinding bits. I've been making no-sew monster dolls out of my scrap fabrics for a while, usually one or two at a time. Today, I'm going to cut 10 layers of fabric with the C8 Nano. Let's see if this works. Because it's 10 layers, I'm putting it on the highest setting. To operate it, press the button on the side and then the large yellow button. The back has a screen to tell you how much power you have, and it also has a nice light so you can see what and where you're cutting. Here we go. Okay, that was easy. I saw someone cutting through cardboard, so I'm going to give that a go too. Now that my basic pieces are cut out, I'm going to lay out the body, arms, and legs and start gluing everything together. I'm cutting out the eyes with pinking shears. Next, I'm going around the ears with the pinking shears. Now I just start gluing the pieces together. I'm gluing smaller scraps on the leg pieces and then using some bright colored yarn for the hair. It's basically a little square pillow with lots of scraps glued on top for interest. Now we'll glue the body together, leaving a hole and then stuffing it with polystuffing. I'm gluing the leg and arm pieces into long tubes and then stuffing them. Finally, I'm adding the legs and arm to the body with buttons and a little hand sewing. I love the way these look. For the F2 Master, I'm going to make a few pieces for my anything and everything necklaces. Just unscrew the top, place in the bit, and then tighten. Turn on the tool and pick your speed, and then you're ready to drill. I'm drilling some small wooden dominoes and then a plastic domino. Here I'm using a diamond bit to drill a hole in some sea glass. You always want to submerge your glass in a little bit of water to catch the glass dust. This is so much easier without having the cord weighing down the tool. Finally, I'm clipping off the ring base on this owl ring and turning it into a charm. I'll need to sand down where it was soldered and then drill a hole in the top for a jump ring. Using waxed cord, buttons, and everything I can get my hands on, I'm going to attach the pieces one by one to the chain. Having a tool like this makes putting these necklaces together and creating the pieces so much easier. I'm going to leave a link for everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want projects I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. I'll leave a link below for that as well. And if you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon.